Good afternoon everyone. In today's class of discrete mathematics, I am going to start unit 2, that is Boolean algebra. The definition of Boolean algebra is, let B is a non-empty set with two binary operations plus and star. It is called asterisk or dot, a unary operation dash, and two distinct elements 0 and 1 which are called identity elements. Then B is called a Boolean algebra. So here is written a note, plus is equal to or operator which we used in proposition. Star or dot means asterisk is equal to multiply, that is AND operator, which means conjunction operation. Dash is equal to not operator. We can use various symbol for dash, bar, not, or any other not symbol. 0 is equal to false. In truth tables for proposition we use true and false value, but in Boolean algebra we will use 0 for false, 1 for true. So Boolean algebra is equal to, in angular brackets, capital B, it stands for Boolean algebra, comma, plus, comma, star or dot, comma, dash, comma, 0, comma, 1. This is Boolean algebra. Now next very important topic, it is very important, students, please learn this. You will have to learn laws of Boolean algebra. There is no any option to learn them. You will definitely have to learn these laws. Only after that you can be able to solve numericals of Boolean algebra. First law, commutative laws. Here commutative is the law a plus b is equal to b plus a dot b, or a cross b is equal to b cross a, or b dot a. You can use cross or dot each, any sign for your laws. Okay? So here for the symbol for all a comma b belongs to b. The symbol, kindly note down the symbol, meaning for all a comma b belongs to capital B. Capital B means Boolean algebra. So all the alphabets we are using here belongs to B. So commutative law means LHS is equal to RHS. We can oppose the alphabets like a plus b is equal to b plus a dot b is equal to b dot a. Next, distributive law. It is very important law. It will definitely work in your numericals. You cannot be able to do numerical without following this law. A plus in bracket b dot c is equal to a plus b in bracket cross a dot c, a plus c. Similarly, a cross in bracket b plus c is equal to a cross b in bracket plus a cross c for all a b c belongs to b. So in distributive, the way of learning is there are two opposite symbols for plus and dot each other in one equation. If plus is outside, dot is inside. Similarly, dot is outside, plus is inside. In both the cases, distributive law will be used. Just remember it. It is very important law. Next, associative laws. Associative laws. A plus b in bracket plus c is equal to a plus b plus c. Here we are just changing the bracket only. As we know, operator is of plus only. So this is the difference between distributive and associative law. There will the change of bracket only, not the symbol. Distributive law will have two different symbol, but associative law will have same symbol. So yes, in same symbol we can change the bracket. We have to plus, we have to multiply, we can change the bracket. A comma b c belongs to b. Idempotent law. Idempotent, just learn, idempotent means identical, same. A plus a is equal to a cross a is equal to a. Similarly, if b plus b is equal to b cross b is equal to b, means same symbol or same alphabet will be the answer for all a belongs to b. Complement law. Complement means one is true value, one is false value. So complement laws, a plus a dash is equal to 1, a dot a dash is equal to 0 for all a belongs to b. So in complement, if first value is true plus second value is false, so true plus false is equal to 1. Yes, always true plus false is equal to true. Similarly, true cross false is equal to false. In truth table we also have proved using AND operator or operator. AND operator is plus operator, AND operator is dot operator, OR operator is plus operator. Identity law, boundedness law. In both the laws we will use identity element 0 and 1. Identity law, a plus 0 is equal to a cross 1 is equal to a, means alphabet will come in the answer. Boundedness law, identity element will come in the answer. A plus 1 is equal to 1, a dot 0 is equal to 0. So both are reciprocal of each other for all a belongs to b. But you have to learn the answer. In boundedness law, identity element will be the answer. A plus 1 is equal to 1. Identity law, number will be the alphabet will be the answer. A plus 0 is equal to a. Absorption law, it is always used to small the equation. A plus in bracket a cross b is equal to a cross in bracket a plus b is equal to a. So the number which is repeated will be the answer. A plus a cross b is equal to a cross a plus b is equal to a for all a comma b belongs to b. Next, uniqueness of complement law. It is rarely used in numerical, but it is used to prove De Morgan's law, which is definitely asked in the examination. Here is the condition of uniqueness of complement law. If a plus x is equal to 1 and a plus x a cross x is equal to 0. If a plus x is equal to 1 and a cross x is equal to 0, then x is equal to a dash. It's the condition for all a comma x belongs to b. Third, 10th, involution law. Involution means not of not, means a dash is equal to a, 0 dash is equal to 1, 1 dash is equal to 0 for all a belongs to b. Involution means not of not. Last law, De Morgan's, and very important law. It is the not of whole bracket. In bracket a plus b dash is equal to a dash dot b dash. A cross b in bracket dash is equal to a cross a dash plus b dash for all a comma b belongs to b, or a plus b bar is equal to a bar dot b bar, a dot b bar is equal to a bar plus b bar. So De Morgan works as a minus sign which we use in decimal number system. So पूरे ब्रैकेट का नॉट करेंगे, देन इट विल चेंज पॉजिटिव साइन इंटू नेगेटिव साइन इंटू पॉजिटिव साइन, प्लस विल बी चेंज into dot will be changed into plus, 0 will be changed in 1 will be changed into 0. This is De Morgan's law. So students, there are 11 laws. These are very important laws just to do any numerical of Boolean algebra. After learning or muck potting these laws, you can do any numerical, otherwise you are unable to do numericals. So very important students, you must note down, you must learn them, you will have to muck pot them, okay, for solving the numericals. Okay class, that's all for today. Thank you.